Drivers and passenger buses with unsettled traffic violations will be banned from Metro Manila streets. This is in line with the new bus deployment scheme of the MMDA. George Bandola reports.
Metro Manila Development Authority launches its new bus deployment scheme in a bus terminal in Fairview, Quezon City. Chairman Francis Tolentino says this time, MMDA personnel will no longer allow drivers and buses that has pending cases or unpaid traffic violations.
Sa mano-mano, hindi natin nagagawa to. Wala tayo. Hindi pa natin.
Lista lang.
Hindi natin makukuha yung records eh. So bago to. Plus
Pero
yung,
dinidispatch pa rin sila.
yes, dinidispatch sila pero hindi natin na-check yung records. Tapos wala ring kapasidad yung mamamayan na i-check yung pinakita kanina through plate number kung may record na aksidente. Halimbawa, pasahero ka, nakasakay ka, chinek mo yung plate number ng bus mo, ang dami na pala aksidente, bumaba ka na muna siguro.
Tolentino explained that when a driver commits a violation, he or his operator should pay it immediately.
Pag nagsesettle ka, ibig sabihin handa mong harapin yung consequences ng ginawa mo eh.
Yes.
Yung pananagutan mo, nagbayad ka, pero kung hindi mo sinesettle, binabaliwala mo yon. Binabaliwala mo ang traffic rules. Binabaliwala mo rin yung safety ng mga pasahero mo. Binabaliwala mo rin yung safety ng kapwa mo motorista.
May pattern siya.
So ito yung i-instill mo yung sense of responsibility.
By March, 3 more new bus tracking devices will be installed in bus terminals in Malabon, Valenzuela, and Baclaran. MMDA maintains its call for a disciplined driving.
Kaya dapat ang lalabas na driver natin yung talagang fit mag-drive. Physically, siguro, morally.
What na yun na requirements?
Ganun na nga.
For People's Television, George Bandola.